I'm Susan from Senior Style. My channel is about all fun things, vintage luxury, from pets to you name it, from a senior point of view. So if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Stay a while. Appreciate that. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on anything. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. I do appreciate it. And every Monday I have Makeup Monday, so make sure that you hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any videos. Alright, so today is going to be a small Chanel makeup haul. It's very small, but I thought I would go ahead and share it with you. So let's go ahead and get started. Today it's raining in BC, so what's the weather in your area? Alrighty. So I have a Chanel VIP gift. They give these out as freebies. And it looks like that. This is Rouge Cocoa Gloss from Chanel. And it has a little thing at the bottom here. And it comes in tissue paper. So let's go ahead and unbox that real quick. Okay, comes with a little plastic Chanel lip gloss, a little mirror. It's kind of cool, and a little chain. So you can hang this from your bag or just put it up as decoration. A lot of things you can use this for. What would you guys use this for? Leave your comments below. I like to have some little ideas. Gifts. Could be a lot of things. Alright, so that's the first one. Second one is the Rouge Cocoa, and that's 402 Adrienne. Comes in Chanel packaging like that. Looks like that. Okay. Well, that color's nice. Here we go. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, I should feature this on my Makeup Monday. So that would be cool. So I'll put this aside for Makeup Monday. Go ahead and feature that one. And I'll leave all the information below to make it a little bit easier. And this is the Mirror Dual. This is the double mirror. Comes in a package like that. And that's the back. Okay, let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Okay, that's pretty nice. Comes in a felt. Okay, and comes in a sealed package. Okay, that's nice. Okay, figure out how to open it. That would be good. That's kind of weird. Oh, it's on the other side. It's not on this side here. So if you do get one of these, don't open it where it has the two hinges. Open it from that side. Alright, there we go. Okay, and then it opens up to two mirrors. Alright, that's cool. Yeah, that's a little tricky to open, so open it where it's just the regular one on the side there. And it comes in a little felt then you can just take it with you. And the felt's pretty nice. Okay, put that back in the box there. Pretty good size mirrors too, which is nice. Alright, and then they gave me a free lip gloss. Right there. Nice color. So we'll try that later, see how that goes. And then this is the Chanel gift set. Comes with lipsticks, perfume. And let's see what that looks like. Oh, okay, this is magnetic. Okay, just open it up and it gives you a little preview there. Okay, this is nice. These are limited edition pieces. They got red, black, perfume over there. Okay. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. We have Chance, perfume, Coco Mademoiselle. I'll take it out. It just makes it a lot easier. They got Coco Mademoiselle, Chance is here. And then they have 2 blacks and 2 red colors. And they come out like that. So let's take a look here. Okay, this is like a really dark red. A true Chanel red. Okay, that's the first one. Second black one, let's take a look. That's another kind of orangey red. So that's nice. Then here's the red ones, which are limited edition. Okay, this is more coral, but they don't have any names. And this is another limited edition one. These are nice. And then the Coco Mademoiselle. And this is a spray. That smells good. Okay. Those would be great for traveling as well. And then this one is called Chance. And they're pretty good size. That smells good too. Alright, so that's my Chanel haul for today. I appreciate everyone watching today. And until next time, thanks for watching. Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye now.